Okay, so this recipe is a great one for winter. You're going to need 2 potatoes, 1 white onion, finely diced, 1 leek, also finely diced. Now cut the potatoes into 2 centimeter cubes, followed by the herbs, finely diced. Now heat a pan on a high heat and sweat off the onions and leeks. Then add the potatoes. At this point we transferred to a larger pan as we realised the one we were using was far too small. So you cook this over a medium heat for a few minutes until the potatoes begin to soften as well. Now add in your cavallonero. Give it a good stir. Once this is all wilted down, add in half your spinach and some salt. Stir this in. Once this is all wilted down, add in your herbs and your spices. Give this all a good stir. And give it a taste. Once you're happy with the seasoning, make 4 little dips into the mix and crack an egg into each of those. Now cover with foil and allow it to heat, and the eggs will poach. This should take approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Whilst this is happening, in a separate pan, heat the butter, the paprika and the chili flakes. So now you want to remove the pan from the heat and add in your Greek yogurt and your herbs, and finally drizzle over some of that buttery, spicy sauce that we made earlier. Now serve up into bowls and enjoy.